Good. Not the like delicious, special of Rice Krispies. What is this? Rice. You have won in the cook show to be a guest star. Man, I'm gonna be on TV. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the cooking show. And we have a special guest star. I'll be right back. Okay, so is this the guy who wins the grand prize? Yes, he's an idiot boy. Look, I'll ask you. I just want to do. How am I supposed to work with that? Just do it. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the cooking show. Now we have a special guest star, Woody. Woody, can you please get the yellow bowl? Yokie dokie. Now, once we're gonna do cake, we're gonna sponsor this. No, the yellow bowl. Okay. Okay. Now, like we're saying, to make our special guest star. This. No, the yellow bowl. Oh, okay. Okay, so once we're making a mix. Alright, first we're making a cake mix. There, the orange bowl. Now I see. No, the orange bowl. Okay, so screw about that. So, if you want to make this cake, alright, so you want to make this cake. You want him? I'm sorry for that fire. Now we have our yellow bowl. All we need is the Yep. All we need is the green wood. Can you please get the cake mix? Okay. What are you doing? No. Stop it. Stop it. That's not cake mix. No. Woody. Woody, that's not cake mix. Please put the cake mix. The cake mix. Okay. No. I'll be right back. No. Stop it. Stop it. No, Woody, it's not cake mix. Please put the cake mix. This, my arm. Woody, the cake mix.
Did I ever think Tara would do something like this?
That was the cake, right? I'm sorry about that. Now we had our cake mix. Now we need spicy ingredients. Woody. Alright, I'll put the cake mix in there and you get spicy ingredients. Okay. Alright, but first, let me put the cake mix. Okay, now we had our mix. Now we need extra soup fat. What's all that record? Woody, what are you doing? Spicy ingredients. It's empty. Woody. Oh man, I'm full. You ate everything? Yes. Okay, so you want me to make me some more ingredients? No, the cake's already baking. Now it's already your fault that you're making all a mess. Are you so mad that I gave you the red shirt? Oh, the cake mix. Okay, now it's time for the reveal of the cake. Huh? Wait, where's cake mix? What'd you do with the cake? Well, I want to check on it. It looked all soupy, so had to throw it away. What? Yeah, I had to throw it away. You know you're a bad cook. You're an idiot. That it was supposed to be like that. You're disgusting. No one eats cake soup. Get out. What? Hey, get out of here.